Hey everyone, I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to play PlayStation Now on a PC. PlayStation Now is a cloud-based service that gives you access to hundreds of PS4, PS3, and PS2 games at a low cost. One of the best aspects of the PlayStation Now service is that you're not limited to accessing it through the PS4. You can also access the PlayStation Now service through your PC. Accessing PlayStation Now on your PC just requires installing the PlayStation Now app on your PC and connecting a controller. Now let's walk through the steps to play PlayStation Now on your PC. Step 1. Open your web browser and navigate to the URL on the screen. Alternatively, I'll include this link in the video description. You'll arrive at the PlayStation Now on PC website. Step 2. Click the Download the PC app link and then download the PlayStation Now installer. Run the installer to install the PlayStation Now app on your computer. Step 3. Launch the PlayStation Now app on your PC. If you don't have a PlayStation account, you'll need to create one. If you already have an account, click Already Have a Sony Account, Sign In Now. In this example, I already have an account, so I'll click that option. A PlayStation account sign-in screen appears. Step 4. Enter your PlayStation account username and password, and then click Sign In. The PlayStation Now home screen is displayed. Step 5. Connect your PS4 controller to your PC using a micro USB cable, and then click the Use Controller icon at the top of the screen. The Use Controller icon features an image of a TV with a controller on it. A message appears at the top of the screen notifying you that you're now in controller mode. Close that message. You can now navigate the PlayStation Now interface on your PC with your PS4 controller. Step 6. Navigate to the game you want to play and then press X. The information screen for that game appears. Choose Start on the information screen to launch that particular game. Let me know what your favorite PS4 game is in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video link on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my website to see more great tutorials like this one.